Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where we dive into the stocks shaping the future. I'm Wes, and today we're exploring IONQ, ticker IONQ. IONQ is a leader in the quantum computing revolution. Could this be the undervalued gem you've been searching for? We'll break it down into sections: its technology, financials, growth potential, and the risks you need to know. Stick around and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more stock picks in the future. So what is IONQ? Founded in 2015 and headquartered in Maryland, IONQ is a pure-play quantum computing company specializing in trapped ion technology. Unlike traditional computers that use bits, zeros and ones, quantum computers use qubits, enabling exponentially faster processing for complex problems. IONQ systems are designed to tackle challenges in AI, cryptography, drug discovery, and more. What sets them apart? Their quantum computers are accessible by major cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud, making quantum power available to businesses worldwide. IONQ's tech is cutting edge, but let's talk about numbers. As of June 2025, IONQ's market capitalization is around $10.4 billion, making it one of the largest pure-play quantum computing stocks. Although it's still small compared to tech giants like Microsoft or Nvidia, in 2024, IONQ reported $40 million in revenue, a massive jump from prior years, with projections for 2025 ranging from $75 to $95 million. That's over 500% year-over-year growth in recent quarters, showing serious commercial traction. Now let's dig into the financials. In Q1 2025, IONQ reported a loss per share of 19 cents, which is better than some competitors like Quantum Computing Incorporated, which posted a 42-cent loss per share over the trailing 12 months. IONQ's balance sheet is a standout. They have $580.3 million in cash and zero debt. That's a multi-year runway to fund research, development, and scaling operations. Their current ratio, a measure of short-term financial health, is strong, reflecting liquidity to weather the early-stage quantum market. But it's not just about the numbers. IONQ's strategic moves are turning heads. They've secured partnerships with industry heavyweights like Amazon, Microsoft, and the U.S. Air Force Research Lab. Their recent $1.1 billion acquisition of Oxford Ionics in 2025 has boosted investor confidence, positioning IONQ as a leader in scaling quantum systems. This acquisition enhances their trapped ion technology, which is known for high fidelity and scalability, key for practical quantum applications. So why could IONQ be a good stock to consider? First, the quantum computing market is heating up. Analysts project the industry to grow from $1 billion today to over $100 billion by 2035. Driven by applications in AI, cybersecurity, and logistics, IONQ's cloud-based approach and partnerships give it a first-mover advantage. Second, their revenue growth and cash reserves make them one of the strongest pure-play quantum stocks. Technical indicators also look promising. IONQ stock, trading around $50 as of mid-June 2025, has buy signals from short and long-term moving averages. Analysts on platforms like TipRanks suggest a potential 20 to 30% upside in the next 12 months, driven by sector momentum and IONQ's growing customer base. But there are a lot of risks. Quantum computing is a speculative sector. IONQ's price-to-sales ratio is around 260 times its 2024 revenue, reflecting high investor expectations, but also risk if growth slows. The stock has seen volatility with a 52-week range of $20 to $60. Short sellers have targeted IONQ in the past, and comments from industry leaders like Nvidia's Jensen Huang, who in January 2025 suggested quantum computing practical applications could be 15 to 30 years away, have triggered sell-offs. Plus, IONQ isn't profitable yet, and widespread commercial adoption of quantum tech is still years off. So how am I going to play this? IONQ could be a high reward opportunity for long-term investors with a high risk tolerance like myself. If you believe in the quantum future, IONQ's fundamentals, partnerships, and market position make it a top contender. But I also diversify my portfolio, and I won't bet the farm on this one. It's a very volatile space. For a less speculative approach, I consider larger tech stocks like Microsoft and Alphabet, which are investing in quantum but have stable cash flows. Before I wrap up, a quick reminder, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor before investing. Quantum stocks like IONQ are exciting but risky, so proceed with caution. What do you think about IONQ? Are you bullish on quantum computing, or are you waiting for more proof? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more stock deep dives. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.